Okay, brother. So where we are now?
Yes, we now on the Monkey Island.
Okay.
This is an island made holding monkeys, more than 12 monkeys.
Okay.
So we also like to bring and show the people monkeys. They used to come in the boat immediately, but this time they is not allowed to bring them in the boat.
Okay.
But you can stand in front and we'll be seeing them on shore on the island.
Okay.
Yeah, this great island, clean island as you see.
Yes, yes.
The trees are green.
Yes, yes.
And we like to do walking around on the island, but because of the monkeys, we no more going there.
Yes, because we don't want disturbing them. Yes.
As you can see, it's the clean island.
Yes, yes.
Very clean. Some people like to go to the other islands for the barbecue, camping, picnics.
Okay.
We also do that, but
not allowed here.
We're not allowed. Here it's not allowed.
Okay.
Also, some of the islands is not allowed to come with the plastic bottles.
Yes.
In Rwanda we're not liking these plastic bottles.
We are not promoting plastic.
Yeah.
Any kind of plastic we are not promoting.
Any kind of plastic.
It's prohibited.
Yeah.
But this
if you are having like the one with the water, you carry it, but you also have to take it back where you took it from. Not leaving on the island, not leaving it on the island.
To prevent the whole
environment.
Okay. Okay, that's good. So where we can find the monkey?
Monkey, we're going to go closer. We'll be seeing the monkey there.
Okay. Let's try. Okay,
Did you see the monkey?
Yeah. Hey. Our pilot has a very good eye.
Captain is having
Captain.
You can see the monkey from far away.
Yes. Now, guys, we are heading to, and we have some banana also. We are going to feed. And these monkey are some different species. Let me show you. If
Actually, it's not allowed to
feed
the monkeys, but as we always want them to come closer to show themselves to the tourists.
Okay.
So it's like we have like a small banana to throw to them so that they'll be able, when they see the boats, they'll be coming to the boats.
Yes,
if we don't give, they never come closer.
Okay, no issue. We'll see.
Okay.
Yes, coming. Yes. Hey, the baby. There are many coming. You can go closer, but you cannot go closer. They run away. They can come on board this boat.
They not actually. They used to.
Yes.
They used to come, but this time because there's a disease, people are talking is coming from the monkeys. So we no more allowing them to come in the boats.
Okay. They are becoming many. Give some more banana. The big one. Ingo, Papa.
Monkey.
That's also good. Especially this island for monkey only.
Yeah, only monkey lives on this island.
Yes.
Vide?
Oh my God. Good. Yes, yes. So how they feed them? Because we have a fruit here, like mango, another tree. Because they need a fruit, they need something to eat. So people are bringing something. Someone is going to take care of those monkeys.
Hmm? No, actually they eat.
Some
There's a guava on this island.
okay.
Many guavas. There's
Yeah.
some plants like mangoes.
Mhm.
So when it's a guava time, they
Yes.
eat the guavas, but they also need the grass,
Okay.
fruits. Yeah, yeah.
That's good, man. We have a many now.
We have many. Yes, yes,
Mm.
yes. There's one in the tree,
Mm.
one on the ground, one on the tree.
Yes, yes, I've seen.
Two in front here. They are.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
They brought these plastics, but there's every week we do the
Cleaning, yeah?
cleaning day.
Mm.
Cleaning day.
Mhm.
As our tour guides and boat captains,
Mhm.
we do the cleaning day and clean all the islands, our islands from our areas.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, we clean everything.
Like that one, Muganda.
Muganda, yes,
Ah,
Muganda.
Muganda.
Muganda actually is
Mhm.
the a week or the last week of the month.
Mhm.
Is all the Rwandan people we do Muganda.
Yes,
But
yes.
once in the week for us as our tour guides, as
Yes.
our boat drivers, people
Yes.
showing around the tourists,
Mhm.
we also come and check all around to see if there's no plastic
Yes, yes.
bottles.
Mhm.
Because the wind, when the wind is blowing from Congo side,
Yes,
and
yes.
you know all the bottles comes from Congo, so we try to clean everything so that we can keep protecting our country,
Keep clean.
protecting our islands,
Oh.
our environmentals.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, brother.
Thank you so much.